These are the Undercover chocolate quinoa crisps. These are the dark chocolate and sea salt flavor. They also have a milk chocolate flavor. We've tried them, the dark chocolate. We just prefer this one. Basically, this is a 15.3 ounce package here. You get a lot of these in here. You can see the serving size here is about 4 crisps. There's about 15 servings per this container right here. And what we really like about this is the low ingredient list. You got dark chocolate. You got pure cane sugar, which we like. Doesn't have the high fructose corn syrup or anything. It's got cocoa butter, vanilla beans, quinoa, and sea salt. So this is what they look like right here. This is actually one serving as well. Really nice servings. Has a really nice taste. It's not like bitter dark chocolate or anything like that. The company did a really great job on these. They have a great taste. This is what one looks like right here. It would just be kind of similar to, it looks like kind of like a small rice cake with dark chocolate and sea salt on here. It has a really great taste to it. We serve these at parties. Everybody always likes them. It's a hit with the kids. It's a really great low carb, low sugar snack. And just no problems with these at all. We're a repeat buyer of these. Again, it's Undercover chocolate quinoa crisps, dark chocolate and sea salt. Highly recommend checking these out.